Thai cleaner care. The last one.
AC cleaner.
哦，这里有，这里，
要不要拿个家用的过去？
不用。
就接上那一个。
AC air conditioner cleaner.
How to use it?
It's very difficult. I go to car store. Yes, I go to car store and see how to use it, but very difficult. You need to take off the air conditioner accessory. Then you put this tube. This tube, yes, and put the
Connect the nozzle and
yes. 是从这里啊，是搞这个啊，还是那头啊？好像是那头。Yeah. 不对呀。
应该是这个。之前我们。
OK， 秀一下吧。The last 还有几分钟？53分钟。这个是泡沫 ，it is a foaming, so I can test. Before you shake 啊。
Shake about 30 seconds to mix the liquid and the gas well.
好吓人。呀。
Wow, you can see.
Foam.
And the smell is good because you use it for the car AC conditioner conditioner. So the smell is good. Can see for me.
Make your air conditioner clean is a more 叫什么 healthy 是吧 healthy clean your car.
Yes, clean your car and no bad odor, no bad smell in your cars. Because if your car drives long time, especially the season change, before you make the warm AC in winter, and then turn to summer, you change the warm to cool.
Change the season.
Yeah. So they have some smell from your conditioner. It's very bad.
Disgusting.
So why we have this product to clean their the smell and clean your conditioner.
Clean often, okay? Buy a lot.
Read.
Read. No rinsing required. 什么
Germ killer formulation. Safe on AC fines and cores.
AC means air condition.
Yes.
Mix made
Cooling efficiency.
Efficiency. Too hard this verse for me.
So the HS code is same. Come here.
就卡应该是差不多的吧。
是那个3405西户那个，昨天我打的。
差不多这个。一样的。这回
一样的。This one.
Same.
Okay.
可以了。
For the Facebook friends can check.
Finish.
Let me introduce the product here
Bye.
on the screen.
Bye.
So what you want to introduce more? Come here. This one.
Okay. Bye. At least one carton each time. Bye.
Yes.
This item 3 years. You can buy a lot in 来了。 contact me. Okay.
Yes, you can contact with Erica. This is this is her phone number. WeChat and WhatsApp is same. Okay. If you have many questions or you have any other problems, you can contact with her. And this is our website. You also can visit it to know more about our products and our company. Okay?
还要展示啥？还有几分钟
Remember.
Okay, let we review top 10. top 10 item, APK top 10.
From now on, this product export how many countries?
Over 50 countries.
Like what?
Germany, UK,
Oh, very good.
and 哪里啊？
USA.
USA, Russia, 南美还有Chile,
Peru.
yes,
Bolivia.
Bolivia.
Venezuela.
哎呀，太多了。
Ecuador.
Too many. And the second is
the
Thai
top
city.
one.
Top one, yes, too many countries. And the second one,
Tesla inflator.
in where is popular?
South America. Actually, where has the car where is popular? Because you know, from 2016, the European cancelled have one new rules. They cancelled the second tires. How to say? Because when they buy one cars, they put one more tires on their cars.
备胎
Yes. So from 2016 they canceled that tires. Now we should put this product in your cars. If you get the punctures on the road, you no need to call for help. You just use this product to inflate and repair your tires by yourself.
叫 spare tire，
Spare tire.
是叫 spare tire， 对，备用胎 ，spare tire。
So it's very popular all over the world.
Spare tire, yes, spare tire. This is the second spare tire. 是不是 ？SPARE tire.
Yes.
Spare tire.
And this one?
Carburetor cleaner.
Wow, this is also very most popular. But many customers want to do the copy of upload.
Yeah. 不能写，不能写。
With the low quality.
Yes. The fourth, Chernobyl.
We have different colors, right?
Yes. Transportation.
Transparent color.
Transparent color and
Black color.
black color.
So the black color, what's the main ingredient?
The main ingredient is a graphite.
Graphite.
Yes,
Okay.
graphite.
So for the clear,
For the clear is
silicone.
Silicone. Based on silicone.
With some silicone. And
Okay.
this one,
This one, engine degreaser.
To clear the surface of the engine.
还有什么？没有什么介绍的。
This we have foaming one. We also have
Foaming
foaming
one
and solvent based one,
Solvent
right?
base, yes.
But normally it's solvent based.
Solvent base is more strong
Yeah.
and quickly.
Yes. And brake cleaner.
Brake cleaner is a chlorine free. Chlorine free is more environment friendly.
Yes.
Silicone spray for industry, factory and machine shop.
And self-built.
Yes, it's
Some,
more useful.
Yeah. One of our customer buys it for use for the self-built to get more smoothly. And this one,
Electrical contact cleaner for
This-
华强北
do you know Huaqiang North Road in Shenzhen?
top 什么
Top sales quality.
yes Very useful.
Very popular in
For
their
phone, computer.
For phone to
Yes.
clear
Clean. Phone shop. Yes.
and foaming tire here.
Foaming tire. For CS
Shop.
shop. Also, after you
You no need to go to the forest shop. You just use it at your home.
cheaper.
So you know the forest shop always very expensive.
Yeah.
Their labor cost very expensive.
Air conditioner. Make a healthy. To use yeah, healthy. Use often.
Makes your mood very happy.
Happy. Okay.
That's all. That's all I will
Time is
say.
up. Yes.
哎，但是它不会自己关的。
See you.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.